Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
First, back up any local files, because enabling developer mode will wipe local data. Then power off the Chromebook completely and prepare a stable AC connection. Next, press ESC plus refresh plus power simultaneously to boot into the recovery screen and wait for the recovery prompt to appear. When you see the screen saying Chrome OS is missing or damaged, press Ctrl plus D to begin enabling developer mode and proceed to the confirmation step. After pressing Ctrl plus D, you will see a confirmation screen that warns about data loss and security changes. Press the space key to confirm you want developer mode, and then press Enter to proceed with the transition. The Chromebook will reboot and begin wiping local data and rebuilding the system partition. Expect this to take about 3-5 minutes depending on your model. Do not interrupt power or close the lid during this transition to avoid corruption or failed enablement. Once the Chromebook finishes rebooting, complete the initial setup and sign into your Google account. To access developer tools, press Ctrl plus Alt plus T to open the cross shell and then type shell to get a full bash shell prompt. Remember that developer mode disables verified boot and grants root access, which increases security risks and may void warranty coverage. If you need to exit developer mode, use ESC plus refresh plus power to enter recovery and follow the on-screen.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.